Hi guys, welcome to the third chapter of the introduction to Forex scalping. So we are going to see in this chapter how to select the best broker that suits you. So we are going to start with the definition of pips in Forex. A pip is the basic unit in the Forex market. Most currency pairs are quoted in 4 decimals. In pip is the last decimal except for USD GPY, which is the second decimal. Euro USD 1 pip is equivalent to a variation of 0.301 if the Euro USD goes from 1.3010 to 1.3011, variation of 1 pip upward. If GBP USD goes from 1.5000 to 1.4999, change of 1 pip downward. If the USD GPY goes from 140.10 to 140.50, change of 5 pips. The pip is 0.01 for the USD GPY. Definition of a point. Today's brokers offer 3 decimal quotation for GPY currency pairs and 5 decimal quotation for all other pairs, so the point is the last decimal. For example, if Euro USD goes from 1.30,110 to 1.30,150, change of 0.5 pip upward or 5 point upward. If USD GPY goes from 140.100 to 140.150, change of 5 pips or 50 points upward. Definition of a lot. A standard lot is the equivalent of 100,000 units of the base currency in a Forex trade. A standard lot is similar to trade size. It is one of the 3 commonly known lot sizes. The other 2 are mini lot and micro lot. In the world of finance, lot size refers to a measure of a quantity of increment of a particular asset or product, which is deemed suitable for buying and selling. Different types of products are commonly viable in different lot size. Historically, spot Forex has only been traded in particular lots of 1,000, 10,000 or 100,000 units. More recently, however, non-standard lot size are also available to Forex traders. Standard lot equal 100,000 units of the base currency. Mini lot, it's equivalent to 10,000 units of the base currency. Micro lot equal to 1,000 units of the base currency. How to choose your broker. The main important thing that affects trading result is the broker. You can get stopped from your trade even if you have a perfect trading strategy because of large spread, even if you are profitable, but the major profit will go directly to your broker because of high commissions that your broker offers you. So you have to choose the best broker that suits your trading style to optimize your profits. What type of broker to choose? There are a lot of brokers in the financial market industry. In this article, we are going to see some of them and which is the best for scalping. In first point, we have dealing desk brokers. Forex brokers that operate through dealing desk brokers make money through spread and providing liquidity to their clients, also called market makers. Dealing desk brokers literally create a market for their client, meaning they often take the other side of a client trade. As we see in this illustration, we have here a trader. It places an trading order in the trading platform of a broker. The order goes directly to dealing desk. If the trade of the trader is winning, the broker loses money. If the trade of the trader is losing, the broker will earn money. So dealing desk brokers trading against the trader. So you have to be aware of dealing desk brokers. Non-dealing desk brokers. As the name suggests, non-dealing desk brokers do not pass their client orders through a dealing desk. This means that they do not take the other side of their client trade, as they simply link two parties together. Non-dealing desk brokers can either be STP or STP plus ECN. See this illustration: a trader that plus a trading order in the trading platform of the broker. The order goes straight to the interbank market, so it don't pass through dealing desk. It passes directly to the interbank market. So you're trading against other trader. You are not trading against your own broker. What is an STP broker? Some brokers claim that they are true ECN brokers, but in reality they merely have a straight-through processing system. Forex brokers that have STP system route the orders of their client directly to their liquidity provider, who have access to the interbank market. Non-dealing desk STP brokers usually have many liquidity providers, with each provider quoting its own bid and ask price. Usually you will have large spread than ECN broker, which is not suitable for scalpers. What is an ECN broker? A true ECN Forex broker, on the other hand, allow the order of their client to interact with the orders of other participants in the ECN. Participants could be banks, retail traders, hedge funds, and even other brokers. In essence, participants trade against each other by offering their best bid and ask price. ECN also allow their client to see the depth of the market. Depth of market displays where the buy and sell orders of other market participants are. Because of the nature ECN, it's very difficult to slap on a fixed markup, so ECN brokers usually get compensated through a small commission. The broker that I personally use. Today, you can find a lot of true ECN brokers with a good regulation and best quality of their services, competitive commissions and perfect spread, all what a scalper need to be successful. I personally using Pepperstone broker for a long time. They offer a good ECN account with tiny spread and low commissions, but you can find a good broker that suits you. What I will advise you is to select a perfect broker with the aspects that we saw in this third chapter. You have to compare spread between brokers and see if it's an STP or it's a true ECN, dealing desk or non-dealing desk, to compare also commissions. So that's it for today's chapter. So see you soon.